It don't really matter what you say. I ain't listening to you anyway.
Okay, there we go. How can you not love the fucking snow, man? Well, it's snowing outside, and when it snows you can have a lot of fun. Let's put the car into dynamic! It makes the suspension harder, and I guess that's good for what we are going to... Oh, okay. If you're wondering why it's beeping, it's actually beeping because my sensor is still broken. If you want to see the entire video, I actually bought this car for very cheap. So I tried to fix it. I fixed quite a lot of things. For example, the screen and some other little things, but this little thing I've not come to fix yet. So it will beep for however long it really wants to beep, which is really annoying, but what can you do? told my wife that I'm going out to buy some groceries, or we're gonna have guests, so it's not